Wow, we live in a world led by men, a world currently reeling in man made challenges, a world dominated by men. And yet, each and every single man comes from their mother's womb. Today, many men heaped praises on their mothers, acknowledging how much their mothers have done for them to be the men they are today. So today, I dared to imagine, what if all the presidents and leaders in this world lead like a mother? So I imagined a world full of sharing and caring, a world less scary, a world of gentleness, a world of togetherness, led from the heart and the head. I imagined a world full of deep respect for Mother Earth, a world free from avoidable death. I imagined a world full of empathy, serenity, flexibility, tenacity, less precarity, and calm during the storms. I imagined the vulnerable fully protected, wealth equitably distributed, poverty eliminated. What if every president or leader in this world and every individual leads like a mother? Isn't it about time we began to recognize motherhood as a leadership model? Because that's what it is. Motherhood is a leadership model on its own. Today, all the love and praises showered on mothers would engulf the world if all leaders and everybody in this world led like a mother. My name is Francesca Ndaiziwe Mandea. I believe in the power of maternal love.